Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about NN store reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us guys and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping site which claims to offer electronic products including Vortex Pro 4K HD dual camera drone and Body Deep Muscle Massager 2021 latest 4K camera rotation waterproof professional drone, 3-in-1 smart quick charger, cute cat claw Bluetooth headset, etc. And you can see the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now let's talk about other information including the payment information section. So guys, they have not provided any payment information, which is not a good sign. But talking about the delivery information or shipping information, let's check out the shipping policy page. So you need to visit the shipping policy page, and here they have mentioned that processing time will take around 3 to 5 days and international delivery usually takes about 10 to 20 business days. So this is the shipping policy, guys. Now before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And this time I'm going to discuss those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, the site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 26th of November 2020. Yes guys, and according to our study, we have found that this particular domain name was registered or is registered for 1 year only. So this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. So we need to discuss more factors including the About Us information. So let's visit the About Us page of this website. Here is the About Us page, but guys, you can see they have provided fake About Us information. This is the duplicate content that they have provided in their About Us page. So this is a red high alert that define its suspiciousness. Anyways, let's check out the contact details to know more about this website. And for that, you need to visit the Contact Us page. So guys, this is the Contact Us page, but they have not provided any information including contact number, email address, but yes, they have provided a fake email address which does not matches with the domain name. So guys, this is a negative sign here. They have not provided the contact number as well. So let's check out the social media existence of the site. So you can see no social media icon is available on this website, which is a negative sign and defines that the site has no social media presence at all. So this is a bad sign here. Now let's check out the return policy of this website. So guys, here they have mentioned that in most of the cases, items shipped from NN can be returned within 3 days after delivery or 30 days after shipment. So this was the return policy, guys. And guys, do not forget to comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product, as it will give information to other users or customers. Now talking about NN store reviews, guys, we have found no customer reviews about the site on the internet as well as on the official website, as the site has an unknown trustworthiness score. And apart from that, this site seems to be not much popular online because this website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. So guys, there are so many points that define the website suspiciousness. And yes, apart from that, the site has used the content of other websites, which is also a characteristic of a scam website. So guys, presence of fake About Us information, zero social media presence, zero security measures, or low traffic score, poor design of website led to believers that it is highly suspicious site and possibly a scam. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys. Hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. I'll get back to you with another scam alert. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.